Keyed entry. 2 identical large head entry keys. Features: anti-bump resistant. Flexible. Can be installed on left or right-handed doors. High quality. Meets Grade 3 residential security standards. STREAMLINE. Rekeyable KW-1 keyways. Your front door is the first thing a guest sees when they enter your home, and the door handle is the first thing they touch. Why not create a stylish look for your entryway with this polished brass lever from Honeywell? With a thumb turn lock on the inside and key access on the outside, this entry lever allows for easy, fluid operation and makes a wonderful accent for your front door. The Honeywell Wave Lever Entry in polished brass is a specially designed pin and tumbler configuration that provides added protection against unauthorized bump key entry. Lock can be easily rekeyed by any locksmith. The lock has a GRADE 3 residential security, tested by ANSI, American National Standards Institute, to meet standards for residential security. Adjustable latch fits 1-3/8, 1-3/4 thick doors and 2-3/8, 2-3/4 adjustable backset. Installs easily with a Phillips screwdriver when holes are pre-drilled into door. Can be installed on the left or right-handed doors for your convenience. Includes an adjustable latch, adjustable backset, mounting hardware, instructions, drilling template and 2 large head entry keys. Backed by a limited lifetime warranty. Top reviews from the United States. Served its purpose. Used on an office door. Matched my others but had a lock to keep petty cash, tech equipment safe.